video is sponsored by Schick.
Ain't nobody quite like you, got me falling.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming a Europe prep and pack with me. So I am going to Europe for 3.5 weeks. I'm going to be mostly preparing. I have like a list of things that I need to either go get or things that I need to do, but I'm also gonna try and get like majority of my packing done. If you guys have seen my last few videos, I had like a very busy last 2 weeks before I left. It was like prom, then grad, and then I'm leaving. We need to get a lot of things done, so I thought I'd kind of just take you guys along with me. Let's just start preparing and packing and getting stuff done. The first thing that is actually on my list that I need to do is shave, because girl, I'm going somewhere decently warm. It is summer. That needs to be done. So step one is we are going to go shave my legs because it needs to be done, okay? Let's go. I recently bought Schick's new like Hydro Silk Sensitive Care razor and trimmer, and I have really sensitive legs. Like I get razor bumps so easily, so I've been using the Sensitive Care. So yes, today's video is sponsored by Schick. I'm so thankful for them doing this, so thank you to Schick for sponsoring this video. I'm just gonna talk quickly about their product, a little bit about their message, which I'm so in love with. Basically that you like shave for yourself, and so you can be really like feeling yourself. For me, I really want to be able to feel myself on this trip, like, you know, pose good, look good for pictures and stuff on Instagram. I'm gonna be wearing short skirts and dresses and stuff like that, so I really want to be able to be looking my best, feeling my best. So the razors are actually water activated and they have shea butter in them, which means they help your legs to stay extra moisturized for up to 2 hours after you're done shaving. I know that's great for me because I talked about having super dry and sensitive legs. Also, the 5 blades are curve sensing, so they're supposed to be a super close shave. So I know that sometimes after shaves, my legs are still like prickly, and that's not fun. Not fun, girl. These are supposed to help you to get an even closer shave so they stay smoother, longer. It's just great. They also have this really amazing contest going on. It's like their Feelin' Myself contest, and you can win a trip to your own private island, which I think is so cool. Definitely be sure to go check out Schick and go pick up one of their 5-blade razors, because trust me, you won't regret it. They are great. And be sure to click the link in the bio to go enter into their contest. I know you guys will definitely like this and like would enjoy a trip, because like who wouldn't? I'm going on a trip. You guys should enjoy a trip as well. So again, just a big thank you to Schick for sponsoring this video. But now, without further ado, let's actually get back into the video and start this preparation process. Let's get her done. I got a lot of things to do. Okay, I just finished shaving, so now that I got that preparation step out of the way, she's done, she's finished, I can move on to like getting literally everything else done. I feel so much more ready to get things accomplished. I've realized that I legit only have these 2 pair of sunglasses. I'm going somewhere in the summer, it's gonna be sunny. I'm gonna want sunglasses to like accessorize and take kind of like cute pictures with. We're gonna run out to Walmart and Winners and see if I can try and buy cheap but cute sunglasses, because I need those. I had a very successful little shopping trip. Besides managing to get 2 really cute pairs of sunglasses, I also found this really cute like scrunchy bow thing, a new belt, which I actually have been looking for a belt like this, gorgeous, earrings, yes, they're from Joe Fresh, but like they are so cute, as well as some thick chunky barrettes. So I would call this a successful trip because I got a lot of cute stuff for my trip and I'm pretty happy. The newest addition, actually, since I last did a travel video, I got new suitcases, and they are these gorgeous rose kind of gold Kenneth Cole suitcases. So I'm going to be taking both this guy and this little guy down here. There is one larger one in the set, but I'm not going to be taking it just because there's some restrictions on some of the smaller planes that we have to take from like one place while we're in Europe to another place. So I'm going to be taking this guy as my check-in bag. this guy as my carry-on, and then I'm gonna be taking my Kanken backpack as like my personal item check-in, I think, because I know that I want to take a backpack. So that is my plan right now. So what I'm going to be doing next is kind of trying to organize some of my outfits and stuff into here. This is the first day that I've started doing anything packing wise for this trip, so I still have a lot to do, but I'm going to try and do most of it today with you guys. So I also bought these little Bentley lock guys for my suitcase because my suitcase don't actually have the like zipper locks on the side, so I need to be able to lock up my suitcases, so I just bought these. I also ended up getting this really cute passport holder. I mean, it's not the most aesthetic, but it's navy with the like matching rose gold writing. I really wish it was black and white, but like it's okay. So that's gonna hold both my European passport as well as my Canadian passport. And then I also got this little case. It just says take charge. I mean, it's kind of kiddish, but it's super great because I'm gonna be putting my laptop charger as well as my phone charger in here, and it's just gonna be real nice to keep that all nice and neat. The next task that I kind of need to do is decide which shoes I'm taking. Down here, I've laid out all of the shoes that I am considering taking, as well as I want to buy a pair of little white kitten heels. I definitely think I'm going to make these guys my airport shoes because I know I wanted a chunky sneaker, and this is the only one really that I have, and they're white. They go with everything, so I'm gonna bring those guys. Those are like my airport shoes. I'm also gonna bring my white slip-on Vans because they go with everything, so there. And I think the Birkenstocks need to come. I won't take pictures in them because I know they're ugly. They are Jesus sandals. But sometimes comfort over things, and I know I'm gonna want a pair of sandals that are comfy. Okay, that's 3 pairs of shoes. I don't know, I think I'll bring these. These, in case I go out. Cool. So those are the shoes that I think I'm gonna bring, so I'm gonna put those in my suitcase for now. I thought it would be a little bit of fun if I showed you guys some of the pieces that I'm really excited about wearing in Europe. Some of the ones that I've bought recently that are real cute that I just kind of want to show off before I just toss them in my suitcase so you guys don't get to see them until pictures or a vlog. The first one is this gorgeous kind of satiny silk reworked Urban Outfitters dress. So it's this deep red wine burgundy. This is coming with me. It's gorgeous. I'm also bringing another silk kind of long dress, and it's kind of the same color as what I'm wearing right now, but it's got this really pretty lace detailing at the top, and it's another Urban Outfitters dress. I'm also bringing this ruffly Princess Polly wrap top at the front. I also recently got this really cute bodysuit. I don't remember where it's from, but it's just this cream and black striped with these cord straps. So it's pretty simple, but easy to like, you know, style. I also recently got this gorgeous white button-down dress. So it's just a literally plain, thick strapped. I find it very country Europe. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's got these wooden buttons, and I just think it's really pretty, and it just gives me real European vibes. I don't know why. Those are just some of the pieces that I am really excited to wear. So now we're gonna move on to like actually packing some of the stuff in my suitcase. I have some of the items that I know that I want to bring just ready to go here. These are the 2 little purse type of things that I'm going to be bringing. So the first one is this little white guy with a gold chain. And then this one is a little bit bigger. It's just this white, actually it's maybe not that much bigger, but tall purse with a handle, and then there's this gray pouch on the front, but the other side is just plain, so really it can go with everything as well. I'm gonna be bringing both of these guys to Europe with me. This is the bag that I use to pack all of my makeup in. It's super big and always fits everything. I have another little one that I often pack my brushes in, but this guy is so great. I can't actually pack my makeup right now, but I thought I'd just show you guys what I use. I do want a new one, the same size basically, but in black, just because I'm not a kid and I really want some things to be more aesthetic now. Super helpful anyways, and I do love the size of it. I still need to do a lot, not gonna lie, but I still need to pack like the rest of my clothes as well as my makeup and my toiletries, all that sort of thing. I booked a nail appointment though. Finally getting my biogels back on because These are kind of ugly. So we booked a nail appointment. Yeah, overall, I'm just really excited to be going to Europe. This is my first time out of North America besides like Jamaica. I don't know if that counts. I'm really, really excited, and I'm also going to be seeing some family over there that I've never met before, so that's really exciting as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this kind of last minute pack and prep with me for my trip. Next time I see you guys, I will be in Europe. I am so freaking excited. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much. Mwah! And I will see you in my next video. Bye!